In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a weekly to-do list in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to the space where you want to organize your weekly tasks. Choosing the right space at the beginning is important because it keeps your work separated by theme, project or area of responsibility, making everything easier to find later. Once you're in the correct space, look for the plus icon beside the space or folder name and click it. This is where you can create a new item inside that area. From the options that appear, select List. A list is a great choice for weekly task management because it gives you a clean, focused view of everything you need to get done. Next, name the list Weekly To Do. Using a clear and specific name like this helps you instantly recognize its purpose, especially if you manage multiple lists in the same workspace. After entering the name, click Create List to confirm. Now that your list is ready, click Add Task to begin entering your weekly action items. Start by typing the name of the first task you need to complete during the week. Try to make each task name simple and descriptive so you can quickly understand what needs to be done without opening it every time. After naming the task, set its due date to the appropriate day. This is an important step because due dates help structure your week and make it easier to stay on track. Once the date is set, assign the task to the appropriate person if needed and set its priority. Priorities are especially helpful when you're balancing urgent work with lower impact items, so take a moment to label each task accurately. Continue repeating the same process for every task you need to complete that week. As you build out the list, you'll create a centralized weekly plan that is much easier to manage than keeping tasks scattered across notes or messages. When all your tasks have been added, click Group and choose to group the tasks by due date. This view makes your weekly list much more organized, since tasks will be arranged according to the day they need to be completed. It's a simple way to turn a long task list into a more practical schedule. As you move through the week, update each task's status as you work through the list. Keeping statuses current gives you a clear picture of progress and helps you quickly see what's completed, what's in progress, and what still needs attention. Thanks for watching.